Today we're going to check out one of my all-time favorite Sea Rays. This is the 290 SDX Outboard. Beginning here on the transom, this boat is equipped with the twin V8 250 Mercury Verados. As you see on the swim platform, you have SeaDek all the way across. You have great rear seating. These seats pop up a little so you can sit with your knees supported. Let me show you a cool storage compartment here. Great for wakeboards, all your water toys, right here, easily accessible. We'll close that back. As we step up towards the cockpit, you've got 12-volt charger, stereo controls, freshwater shower. Over here on the starboard side, you have your wet bar area, prep area, cockpit refrigerator for those nice summer days out on the water. You have a big L-shaped seating here in the cockpit area, as well as more seating over on the starboard side. The Sea Ray 290 does a great job with more storage here in the stern. Very nicely finished out. Great place to put all your extra life jackets, dock lines, fenders, keep all the clutter out of the boat. This boat has the stone interior, which is the light gray, to complement the gray SeaDek and the Horizon hull side. You see this boat is equipped with the white tower with an oversized bimini, so you get great sun coverage. Stepping up to the helm area over on the port side, you have a very nice spacious head compartment. Pump out head, sink, very well appointed, very well finished, not just an afterthought. A lot of attention to detail there. Over at the helm, you've got the big Simrad display, Mercury digital throttle, joystick piloting, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, as well as a Simrad VHF radio. Great feature on this boat. As we move further forward, the bow area is where everybody likes to sit. You have great accent lighting all the way through the boat. Sea Ray always has their cushions on hinges in these SDX boats. This can be a cooler, it can be storage, multi-purpose, drop-down armrest on both sides. All the way forward, you have another freshwater shower here at the bow area. You also have your windlass. So when you get to this model, you also have your windlass controls for your anchor. You can control it from here. You can control it from the helm as well. Well, that's a brief walkthrough on our Sea Ray 290 SDX. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100.